In a time not so far from now, businesses were searching for solutions. Solutions to manage processes, to communicate, automate, to understand their data. But the market was flooded with illusions, custom-made products, tailored, yet always tight, always lacking. Every request, a new dev cycle. Every update, a new emergency. Costs, bugs, dependencies. The promise of automation had turned into a maze of code. But something had to change. A new vision was needed. A mind that could adapt. And so, MyHydra was born. Not just software, not just another AI, a living system, built to understand, evolve, and act. No endless development, no compromises. Talk to it, write to it, connect it to your world, and watch it run. This is not about replacing people. It's about amplifying them, augmenting their reach, their insight, their power. It's time to change. It's time for MyHydra. Next, to drive evolution,